How to set up your public profile. On your home page, click on Settings. This will direct you to your public profile settings, allowing you to decide whether you want to maintain a public profile and customize the information displayed on it. Your first step is to opt to show the public profile page. Next, change the link of your profile. You can personalize it by writing your name. Afterwards, specify what personal details will be displayed on the public profile. In this case, we don't want our current job title to be visible, so we click on it to hide it. You can do the same for your summary section. We want to display everything there since we think it will be relevant for recruiters to know this information. We will do the same for our educational details, languages, training details, and professional experience. When you choose all the options, scroll down and click on Save and View. And there you go. You're now equipped with a public profile that you can share quickly on your social media or through instant messages, complementing your CV documents.